So let's see the lovely recipe of roasted onion chutney. Now here I've taken 3 medium-sized onions, just brush them with a little bit of oil, and I'm going to just roast them like this till they get nice and charred, and just keep turning them in intervals so that they get evenly roasted. Now the onions, this took me about 15 minutes to get them roasted on a low to medium flame. Now I'm also going to take a mixture of 2 light green chilies and 3 dark green chilies, put about half a teaspoon of oil, and also roast the chilies. So while the chilies are getting roasted, I'm just going to peel the onions and just take off the ends and set them aside. Now this chutney goes really well with some bhakri or even with some varan bhat, amti bhat, and it has a long shelf life, so you can store it in your refrigerator in an airtight container, and it's super delicious. So now our chilies are also roasted. Now in the same pan, after taking out the chilies, I'm going to add about 5 cloves of garlic and roast them too. So now that our main ingredients are ready, we're just going to chop them up so it becomes easier to grind them to a nice fine paste. So I'm just going to chop the chilies up. And like I said, take a mixture of dark green chilies and light green chilies that will give you the right amount of spiciness. Now I'm going to grind my chopped up garlic and chilies to a very fine paste. In the meantime, I'm going to also chop up the onions so it becomes easier to grind it. Now the chili and garlic paste is ready. Now I'm going to add a little bit of salt to taste. And now I'm going to add the chopped up roasted onions. We're not going to add any water to this recipe. And then grind it to a very fine paste. So our paste should look like this. So now we can take this paste out in a bowl. Now in a pan, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of ghee or clarified butter, and I'm going to add this ground paste, and we're going to fry this paste really well for at least 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to add some roasted cumin powder, about a teaspoon. And that's it, friends. Our lovely roasted chutney, onion chutney is all ready.
Friends, I hope you liked today's recipe as well as today's video, and if you would like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to leave this video a big thumbs up. Also, by clicking the thumbs up icon. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become a part of Akshata's recipes. Once you have subscribed, there is a small little bell icon that will pop up, so just click on that. That way, whenever I put up a new recipe or a new video, you'll get a message for the same. So on that note, I'll say bye and I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata saying bye, take care, stay healthy, stay fit, be kind and loving to one another. So till we meet again, bye.